The bag is here. Hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to unbox a new bag. And this bag was a gift from my husband on my birthday. So if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe if you like to. And press the bell all notifications so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And to those who are just new or those who just like to watch this type of video, keep watching. So guys, now I'm going to open a new bag, and this Vuitton. This is not a big bag, it's a small one, but it's in a box. It's from here, and came with a ribbon like this. So I'm going to open it. By the way, the name of the bag is called Croisette. The name of this model is Croisette. So I'm going to untie the ribbon. Voila. So it's like this. And we will open it. And voila. The bag is here. Hi. So it's here guys. And it is in damier. It's called, this one is damier. And so this is the Croisette, Louis Vuitton Croisette. So there is the name of Louis Vuitton here, logo. There are some stickers still. And then the name of the Louis Vuitton is here. And there is a sticker, letter M. I don't know why there is this one. And to open it, I have to press here. So it go like that. And there it came with a strap, and the strap is not adjustable. So you see the strap, it is thick leather, and here there is the name of the brand, and both sides, and it's like this. And the bag is not so, the bag came with like this. This one should be put here, but I don't think I will put this one. I don't like so much. This one should be like I think it's to put, I don't know how to put it. I think it should be like this. But I don't know how to put this one. But I don't think I'm going to use this one because I don't like it. So the bag is not so big. It has these things here to attach the strap, and inside is red, and there is one pocket inside, and came with like this. It's like this, like that. So the bag is not very big. The bag came with some plastic, so I will just take it off when I start using it. Yes, there is this thing here, to peel off if I will use the bag. But for now, I'm not going to use it yet, so I will not take it off. And the same with here. That's the. And so the bag, you can use it like this. So when you close back the bag, you just push it like that. Wait, it doesn't. Wait, it doesn't close. So you just push it inside there, where there's a little hole in it, and you push, and when you open it, one thing will move, this one. So when it move, it go out like that. So this is the Louis Vuitton Croisette, and this one is very, when you use it like you are going out with friends, or if you are a person who doesn't bring a lot of things, like only a small wallet, your keys, your what else. So this one is very, like you go out for with friends for dinner or something like that, so ideal to use. So guys, this is the Croisette, Louis Vuitton Croisette. So I'm going to try this to put on the strap. So it will be like this. So that's all. Thank you for watching, guys.